How to get a $180 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in Shein.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Shein. Now you can go ahead and log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you will get the discount. Now, where can you find the Shein promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Shein promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you Shein promo codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. 30% coupon code, $40 coupon code, free shipping, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on view coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Shein and then come to the page of promo code, paste the code, and then confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure to go through this website, as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Shein. Using this website, you can get up to $180 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.